Hello and welcome back to the channel. Really glad to have you here. In today's video I'm going to take you with me on a short tour to the local gemstone and souvenir shop. They have a big sale going on right now and I just want to show you some really stunning, amazing pieces. So this is an amethyst cathedral worth over 5,000 euros. Absolutely beautiful, and it's really relaxing to look at. And these are some gorgeous tiny agate pieces right here as key rings, along with some clear quartz, and I actually purchased turquoise key ring which I changed to a necklace. And here is some raw amethyst pieces, absolutely stunning. These ones are from Lapland, the north of Finland, and as you can tell, quite different as well, and they're much more older when we're talking about the amount of years as well. So they're absolutely beautiful. And I also want to take this opportunity to talk about meditating with crystals. So meditation is a way of accessing a state of deep stillness, which is a health giving in this fast moving modern age. So in a meditative state, you start to experience deep peace and relaxation, and this allows your body to restore itself on a cellular level and your mind and spirit to be regenerated. So you need to actually make time and create the right space for meditation. Meditation is not doing anything, it is allowing yourself time to just be, releasing yourself from daily demands for a short and beneficial time. Try to arrange a regular 15-minute slot each day for yourself and see how it works for you. So you also need to use crystals as a focus, as a healing tool in meditation. So for meditation, crystals can be contemplated as a fixed object. They're held in the hands or they're placed on the body. To develop the earlier exercises, you can also add visualization, for example, which allows you the power of your creative imagination and your intuition to respond to the crystal. After these exercises, which we will talk about, you need to also write notes, or you need to draw your experiences and keep them as a reference to refer to back later. Today we're going to talk about using two crystals as a meditative exercise. So we're going to talk about clear quartz and amber, starting with the clear quartz exercise, which also helps with inner cleansing. Using a clear quartz cluster or point, sit holding the crystal in your hands. Breathe deeply and release all tension from your body for a few moments. Now imagine a fountain of white light that begins just above the crown of your head and enters your skull, flowing down your face, neck, back, shoulders, arms, hands, and into your crystals. As the energy builds in the crystal, allow it to flow down your abdomen, hips, legs, and into the earth. Thank the earth for her gifts. Imagine yourself to be a conduit between the earth and the heaven. To end the exercise, breathe deeply and flex your feet and hands. Now we come to the amber exercise, which helps in connecting to the planet kingdom. Now amber is an organic gemstone made of fossilized tree resin, often containing tiny pollen grains and other ancient life forms. For this exercise, simply take a piece of amber with you on a walk, preferably an unpolished amber. If possible, find a tall pine tree, or if none is nearby, simply let your intuition guide you to a tree. Stand with your back to the trunk and hold the amber in your hands. Breathe deeply and feel the upright strength of the tree. Imagine you are drawing warm earth energy up through your feet, your legs, hips, abdomen, and into the amber into your hands. Allow the energy to continue flowing up through your back, heart, shoulders, and up out of your head, up to the tree and into the universe. Relax and feel yourself to be a part of all nature. Breathe deeply and stretch your arms to come out of the exercise. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If so, do let us know in the comments box below the video. I'd love to have you on board. Check out the channel, check out the video, see if it does resonate, and subscribe. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.